Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 147 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. One of the serious problems which has been dealt with is the food situation in the country. The President's address very rightly remarked that though it is not alarming, still it is serious. It is of grave concern. The economy in the country is also not very safe. All these are stark realities which the country and the leaders of society, as we are in this august house, will have to face. This august house and also the several houses in the states have given their approval to the 10th 5-year plan. It has been approved and it is already working, though its first year of progress may be very slow for several reasons beyond the control of the Government of India. However, the food situation in the country indicates, as the statistics given by the Ministry of Agriculture show, that there is a steady increase in the production, and as such, they have sounded a note of cautious optimism, though it may not have been appreciated by several critics as well as several people in the country because of the rising trend of prices. The rising trend of prices during the last 2 or 3 months clearly goes to show that the food situation is not satisfactory. I do not venture to say that it is deteriorating, but as somebody has remarked, the food situation appears to be a little grave because of lack of purchasing power of the consumer. In regard to food production, there are three factors. One is the producer, the other is the non producer, and the third is the government. The producer in this country is mainly the agriculturist, and it is time to think seriously whether the Union Parliament should have to think positively whether in this country agriculture is to be given the pride of place ahead of industry, because it is the main industry of the nation. There is a clear distinction between agriculture and industry, and as it has been said by an eminent economist, there cannot be better industry unless there is an improved agriculture. An improved agriculture needs several factors to be considered before we assail the producer in the country. Fortunately, very many speakers who preceded me have sponsored the cause of the producer, though the producer was not so much in the picture. The producers in this country can be divided into three categories.